Hello and good morning. My name is Christopher, an amateur weather observer, and welcome to a new episode of my daily backyard weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Wednesday, June 5th, 2024, 9 o'clock in the morning, overcast skies at 8 octas, temperature 19.1 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is falling slowly at 1018.1 millibars, and the air quality reading is low at 10.1 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, no rain in the past 24 hours, and that zero measurement will still be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN 646. Well, yesterday I covered a special weather book, and to continue my series of weather books that impacted me and made me appreciate about the science of weather, is today I'm going to cover a book that actually I've used when I took a Meteorology 101 at university. This book is called The Essentials of Meteorology, an Invitation to the Atmosphere. And this was written by C. Donald Ahrens, by Brooks Cole Thompson Learning, and I love this book. It was definitely my best favorite book when I was in university, and it really provided me a great foundation of the science of weather. And this is actually a great book for someone who wants to know the basic science of how weather works. In this book, it covers different topics that goes beyond your typical base weather explanation. It talks about, let me check here. So here it talks about how do you measure humidity, what causes condensation, how clouds are developed, and what makes air unstable, for example. And then from there, it explains to you the science of why the wind blows. Hint, changes in atmospheric pressure. And of course, it goes from the micro into the macro. It then talks about air masses, fronts, mid-latitude cyclones. And something that's unique with this book, not only delves into the science of weather, is it also explains how meteorology impacts our daily lives. That includes agriculture, business, transportation, and it gives you application of the weather concepts that you've learned from this book. And of course, the book is highlighted throughout. Seems like every section here seems to be very insightful for me. So you can see everything is highlighted, and it's a book that I will keep forever, even though it's the 3rd edition. There's probably a much newer edition this time. It's a go-to book for me if I want to go back to the basic science of weather. Well, friends, that's the topic for today. Here's the book that influenced me in university. I'll be covering another weather book in my tomorrow's video. So I hope that you can join me again and see what's the next book I'll be featuring in tomorrow's podcast. And with that, friends, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the cloud shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.